just unboxed the Victorinox Santoku. It appears that it has already been used. Part of the finger smudge or whatever sort of smudge is right there, as well as a scratch right about right there. Right there. Appears to be used, which is unfortunate. It also appears to have a slight bevel in the edge. Let's see if we can catch this. Might not be able to see it. You can see that edge of the very edge of the blade. There's a bevel. Let's try this. See that? That bevel right there. All the way along the blade. It means it was poorly sharpened. So, let's do a sharpness test. Okay. Okay, let's try that again. One more time. Huh. Not bad. It's pretty good.